Hello everyone and welcome to another B1 English podcast. If you're learning English, you're in the right place. This podcast is made especially for B1 learners. I speak clearly, use everyday vocabulary, and explain ideas in a simple way so you can improve your listening and your English at the same time. Today's topic is small steps every day. Many people dream about success. They want to become healthier, richer, smarter, or happier. But sometimes these dreams feel too big. They look at the long journey and think, I can't do it. The truth is that success does not happen in one day. It is built one small step at a time. So, if you have ever felt lost, tired, or afraid to start, this episode is for you. Let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something simple but very powerful. Small steps every day. Many people dream about success. They want to become healthier, richer, smarter, or happier. But sometimes these dreams feel too big. They look at the long journey and think, I can't do it. The truth is that success does not happen in one day. It is built one small step at a time. So, if you have ever felt lost, tired, or afraid to start, this episode is for you. Let's begin. Imagine you want to climb a very high mountain. If you only look at the top, you may feel scared. The mountain looks impossible to climb. But what if you only focus on the next step? One step, then another, then another. Slowly, without even noticing, you get closer to the top. Life works in the same way. Big goals are reached by doing small actions every single day. Think about learning English. You do not become fluent after reading one page or watching one video. You improve by learning a few new words today. Tomorrow you learn a few more. After 1 month, you know many new words. After 1 year, you can have conversations with confidence. Small daily practice creates big results. The same is true for fitness. Many people start exercising because they want to lose weight or build muscle quickly. They train very hard for a few days. Then they become tired. They stop. Instead, imagine doing just 20 minutes of exercise every day. It may not feel like much, but after weeks and months, your body becomes stronger. Your energy increases. You feel healthier. Consistency is stronger than intensity. Reading is another great example. Some people think they need to finish a whole book in one day. But reading just 10 pages every day can change your life. 10 pages today, 10 pages tomorrow. At the end of 1 year, you may have finished dozens of books. Those books can teach you new skills, new ideas, and new ways of thinking. Sometimes we wait for motivation. We tell ourselves, I'll start when I feel ready. I'll start next Monday. I'll start next month. But motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. The most successful people are not always the most motivated. They simply keep showing up, even when they do not feel like it. Especially when they do not feel like it. There will be difficult days. Some mornings you will feel tired. Some evenings you will want to quit. That is normal. Everyone experiences difficult moments. The important thing is not to stop. Even if you only make a little progress today, you are still moving forward. One small step is always better than standing still. Many people compare themselves to others. They look at successful people on social media. They think, why am I not there yet? But they forget something important. They are comparing their first chapter to someone else's 20th chapter. Every expert was once a beginner. Every champion started with one small step. Every successful business started with one customer. Every famous author started with one sentence. Never be ashamed of starting small. Imagine planting a tree. On the first day, nothing changes. After 1 week, it still looks the same. Even after 1 month, the growth is hard to see. But under the ground, the roots are growing stronger. One day, the tree begins to grow taller. Years later, it gives shade and fruit. Your habits are like those roots. People may not see your progress today, but if you keep going, one day everyone will notice the results. Another important lesson is to celebrate small victories. Did you finish your workout today? Celebrated. Did you study for 30 minutes? Great job. Did you drink more water than yesterday? That's progress. Small wins build confidence. Confidence helps you continue. And continuing creates success. Do not worry about being perfect. Perfection is impossible. Some days you will make mistakes. Some days you will skip a routine. That does not mean you failed. It simply means you are human. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. If you miss one day, come back the next day. Never let one bad day become one bad week. Remember this simple idea. 1% better every day. It sounds small, but small improvements add up over time. Imagine saving $1 every day. At first, it seems unimportant, but after many months, you have saved a meaningful amount. Your habits work the same way. Every positive action is like making a small deposit into your future. If you have a dream, start today. Not tomorrow. Not next year. Today. Write one page. Read one chapter. Take one walk. Learn one lesson. Practice one skill. Do one thing that brings you closer to your goal. You do not need giant steps. You only need the next step. As we finish today's episode, remember this. Success is not built in one big moment. It is built through hundreds of small moments. Every time you choose to keep going, you are building a better future. Every small step matters. Every effort counts. Every day is another chance to become a little stronger, a little wiser, and a little closer to your dreams. So, whatever your goal is, promise yourself this. I will take one small step today. Because one small step every day can completely change your life. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to share it with someone who needs a little motivation today. Keep learning. Keep growing. And remember, great things happen when you take small steps every single day. See you in the next episode.